Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the lift gate. All right, we gotta pull this handle off. We're gonna pull this trim piece off with just a straight blade screwdriver to expose the bolts. These two 10mm bolts. I'm gonna use a 10mm socket and an extension and a ratchet. Take that bolt out. I'll take this one out. And the handle will come right off. Now we're gonna use some trim tools to get the push pins off. You can buy these at 1aauto.com. Slide in here. These little push pins right there. Come all around here. So once you get all those push pins out, then you're gonna pull the lift gate down a little bit, open up the lift glass, and then this panel will go up like that. And you can set that aside. All right, now take the key, open the lift glass. We're going to take the panel. We're going to get the panel over this, right there. Then we can close the lift glass. Now we're going to line up the push pins in the back. Push those on. Line those up. I'm going to reinstall this handle. There's a little tab right there that lines up with that hole. We'll line that up. And we'll take our 10mm bolts. Get that one started. And get this one started. And we'll snug them up. Just like that. Not too tight, it is plastic. And then push the cover over. Push that cover over.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.